Ryan Breton is our forecast. We're past sunset officially at this point, and that's when we'll really feel the chill settle in tonight.
When I stepped out on the weather deck, it felt like a December night.
Yes. Yeah, we've jumped ahead now.
Right.
We were so delayed before.
That's a good point, because we were in pretty good luck.
Right.
Extending summer through September and October. But yeah, we've jumped forward for sure. And there is a system that comes through tomorrow night, so we got to talk about that. And we'll do that right now. First off, though, a nice day coming up tomorrow. It's going to be a mostly sunny day. Sure, still chilly, but if you get outside, noon, 1 o'clock, it should feel pretty nice in the sunshine if you're bundled up appropriately. Tomorrow night, snow, mix, and rain moving through, and for most of us, it ends very early on Sunday, except in northern Maine, where it will actually continue off and on much of the day Sunday into Sunday evening. Out there now, just some patchy cloud cover, and these clouds will continue to clear out as the night goes along. Chilly air coming down from Canada, the wind out of the northwest. 27 right now in Rangeley. It's 37 in Bangor, 39 in Rockland, and right around 40 from Wiscasset south. So overnight tonight, the clouds clear away. It is a chilly night for sure. We'll start tomorrow morning with low temperatures in the 20s across the state. And then sunshine will be out much of the daytime tomorrow. That said, sun doesn't do a lot for our temperatures. 44 the high tomorrow in Portland, 40 in Waterville and Bangor, and 30s in the mountains and up north. So a chilly day, yes, but a bright one at that. Then tomorrow night, this is 7 o'clock. We're still dry, but the clouds are increasing. Storm system comes in from the west, arriving either side of midnight in western Maine. But for the southern half or so of the state, this thing flies through. It's out of here very quickly Sunday morning, but it will linger with snow and some rain over northern Maine into Sunday evening and even early Monday morning. So a longer duration storm up in the county. 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, closer look here. Clouds are increasing. Could be a few flakes in spots by 10 o'clock, but it's more likely around midnight. Snow developing in southern and western Maine. Wind comes in out of the south, so that introduces a rain-snow line. And we see a very quick change over to rain along the coastline and in most of Cumberland and York counties. But farther inland and north, we get a burst of snow around 2, 3 in the morning for Waterville and Bangor. And it will be mainly snow north of Route 2. But the duration isn't all that long. We're shutting this off here by about 4 in the morning in western Maine and by about 6 in the morning in central Maine. So your worst weather on Sunday is going to be to the north of Bangor, where this lingers much of the day, mainly in the form of snow up in Aroostook County, while the rest of us on Sunday will see some breaks of sun. It'll be blustery with temperatures in the 40s. So the only change really we made to the snowfall map is to add the 6+ up here, where it snows off and on through the entire day on Sunday. Any place, I'd say, from Bangor to Waterville, Augusta, Lewiston south, this snow gets washed away after that change over to rain. But around Route 2, Farmington, Skowhegan, 1 to 3 inches, and then a few inches in the western mountains, possibly up to 6 at the high peaks, but I think 3 or 4 will probably be more common, and it's just a rain event along the coastline. Seas tomorrow, 2 to 3 feet, a northwest wind 10 to 15 knots, gusting up to 25, and a gale watch up for Sunday afternoon into Monday. So mostly sunny tomorrow. Yes, it's chilly, but it will be bright. Snow and rain moving through Saturday night into early Sunday morning, and then it lingers up north through the day. But I think the vast majority of us south of Bangor get a largely dry Sunday. Flurries around on Monday, a blustery day, and then we stay in this range where we have been now for about the last 10 days. Temperatures just in the 40s through mid next week. Yeah.
Okay. We'll get the gear ready for Sunday.
Yeah.
Warm up for the season.
Just a little bit, yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.